So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Apple Watch is not showing the pop-up when you're trying to go through and connect it and pair it up with your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you're trying to connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone, that you basically have no other iPhone around you while you're trying to set it up. Sometimes that can probably be the problem. For me personally, sometimes I might have an iPhone or two laying around that might get the pop-up before this one. And if that ends up being the case, that could very well end up being the main issue that you might end up having. So try making sure that you don't have any other iPhones. A really easy way of trying to get these two things to pair up with one another again is to bring these iPhones and Apple Watches far apart from each other and then go through and bring them back up just like this. Sometimes the pop-up might just come up, and that's another one of those things that you can basically do that can end up fixing this problem as well, and that might end up fixing it for you as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you can also try powering down one of your devices. So just quickly turn on and then turn back on your iPhone, and you want to see if that ends up bringing that pop-up back. Turn on and off your Apple Watch, see the same thing. Now you might have to power off and power on both to kind of get them to work too. So hold down the button to power off, go and power one off, go and power one on, see if that ends up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, you might want to make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are compatible, because if they're very, very outdated Apple Watch iPhone combos, that might not necessarily work. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.